Imagine 50 people standing at a bus stop. Are they a group? Not really. Now imagine 5 employees working together to launch a new product. They share information, coordinate their work, and focus on a common objective. That is a group. But what actually makes a group? And what different types of groups exist in organization? Let us find out. A group is a collection of two or more individuals who interact with one another and work together to achieve common objectives. Groups are an important part of every organization because most organizational goals are achieved through teamwork rather than individual effort. To understand groups better, let us first look at their key characteristics. A collection of people becomes a true group because of 4 important characteristics. Members interact with one another, work towards common goals, depends on each other, and develop a structure that defines roles and responsibilities. Without these characteristics, people may simply be a collection of individuals rather than a group. Now that we understand the characteristics of a group, let us look at the different types of groups found in organizations. Broadly, groups can be classified into 2 categories: formal groups and informal groups. Formal groups are intentionally created by management to achieve specific organizational objectives. In contrast, informal groups develop naturally through social interactions, friendships, and shared interest among employees. Understanding both types of groups is important because each plays a unique role in organizational life. Let us begin by exploring formal groups in detail. Formal groups are groups that are deliberately created by an organization to achieve specific objectives. Their roles, responsibilities, authority, and reporting relationships are clearly defined by management. The main purpose of formal groups is to help the organization achieve its goals efficiently. Examples include departments, committees, and project teams. Formal groups are further classified into command groups and task groups. A command group consists of a manager and the employees who directly report to that manager. For example, a marketing manager and the employees working under him form a command group. These groups are usually permanent and exist as part of the organizational structure. A task group is organizational structure. A task group is formed to perform a specific task or complete a particular project. For example, a team created to launch a new product or organize a company event is a task group. Once the objective is achieved, the task group may be dissolved. Informal groups are not created by management. They develop naturally through social interactions among employees. People join these groups because of common interests, shared backgrounds, and personal relationships. Although informal groups are unofficial, they have a strong influence on communication, employee morale, and workplace culture. Informal groups are mainly classified into interest groups and friendship groups. An interest group is formed when individuals come together to achieve a common interest or concern. For example, employees from different departments may unite to request better workplace facilities or flexible working hours. A friendship group develops because individuals enjoy each other's company and share personal relationships. For example, employees who regularly have lunch together, travel together, or participate in social activities often form friendship groups. These groups help employees build stronger social connections and create a positive work environment. Let us quickly revise. The key characteristics of groups are interests, common goals, interdependent, and structure. Groups are mainly classified as formal and informal. Formal groups classified into command groups and task groups. Informal groups include interest groups and friendship groups. Groups are the foundation of organizational life. Understanding their characteristics helps us identify what makes groups effective, while understanding different types of groups helps managers work more effectively with employees. In the next video, we will discuss the factors influencing group effectiveness. Thank you for watching.